So here, lot of people will be confused. How to post will be large with the website URL. That is called, this is somebody posting for this image. Yes or no? They're showing our website URL. Yes or no? If you click this one, they're going to wear the exact website. Suppose if I'm open any website URL, look the screen. This is for previous member will be posting, will be India Today company will be posting this option. Our image will be showing for with a large option. It will be showing for easily, you will be understand. Now here, go to your website, select your videos, select for digital marketing videos. Now select any one video here. Now select this one. Just come, select this title, click for Twitter. Just posting here. Click for tweet. See here. Just come to your website, the Twitter. Open your Twitter wall. Go into tweet. See my Twitter post. How to showing? Very small. But I can post will be like this. How to post will be like this. That is called, please write down. Just go into Twitter ads. Go into Twitter ads. In this one, go to your video manager on Twitter. Once open this option, go to this video manager option. Create a campaign. Without create a campaign, we can't post the large image. Now go to the select the any fresh campaign. Website clicks. Don't select any options. Click for next. Click for next. Here the option will be there. What is the option will be? Create tweet. Now here in this option call is select card. In this one, go to card library. So in this one, go to your website, select your news. First of all, select this option, website design development company. Copy this URL. Go to card library. Here, create a card. What is the purpose of website card? Now write down web design and development company in Hyderabad, Hyderabad. Copy this URL. Okay. Select image, drag the image to your desktop. Next one, paste it. Drop. Web. Click for create. Done here. Now just what is called tweet. Go to compose. Post on in this option. Putting for hashtag. Now here. Just uncheck this option. When you're promoting time, you can check this option. I'm not promoting, I'm pushing for organic post. Now click for tweet. Before tweet, the showing for option will be. What is the option called? Scheduled. Clicking for tweet. Done. Go to Twitter. Now check the your posting. I show the previous post and this posting both. See here. Is it clear? This is called. Now going to your back. This is going to your tweets. Now see here. This is the new post. This is the previous post. How much different? This showing for very small. This showing for very big the content. That is called only possible for in your campaign time. So always go into this option for campaign mode where Twitter ads, select your campaign, post on the with the select your cards, posting for your website link. If anyone click this link, they're going to wear our website proper post with using for large thumbnail. How to post on Twitter wall with a large thumbnail. That is called only for campaign time will be possible on your posting version with the large thumbnails. Is it clear? This is called Twitter posting with the large thumbnails.